Hello, my name is Edson Emir, and I'm going to talk to you about surprising facts and news about cloning. Cloning allows you to create genetically identical organisms from a single cell of an existing individual. A fascinating fact is that this process isn't limited to mammals. Today, it's used to revive extinct species like the parent bee ibex and restore biodiversity. To understand how it works, here are two key concepts. Somatic cell nuclear transfer. This is the main technique used in cloning. It involves removing the nucleus from the somatic cells, any cell in the body except egg or sperm that contain all the DNA and transferring it to an egg cell that has previously had its own nucleus removed. Pluripotent stem cells. These are master cells that have the remarkable ability to develop into almost any type of tissue in the body. An example a recent news story about cloning was the successful cloning of a world species that went extinct 13,000 years. The company Colossal Bioscience surprised the scientific and media world this week by announcing that they had brought back to life an extinct animal, the dire wolf, a species that disappeared approximately 13,000 years old. The Colossal Bioscience team began their works by extracting DNA from ancient fossils at 13,000 years old tooth and 72,000 years old scroll. This remains allowed them to assemble two high-quality genomes of ancient dinosaurs, which were then compared with those of modern wolves to identify the key genetic variants that distinguish with these extinct species. The result of this process was the birth of three pups, Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, who already exhibit characters similar to those of the dire wolf. Although these animals are not exact clones of the extinct species, but rather genetic hybrids, their creation marked a significant milestone in genetic engineering and conservation. Thank you very much for your attention.